Here in this video, we will study a poem, The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. And who art thou? Said I to the soft falling snow, which stands to tell, give me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. I descends to live, the dots at me, dust layer of the globes, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn, and forever. By day and night I give back life to my own origin and make pure and beautify it. Here, who are thou? Who are you? Eternal, never ending, impalpable, which cannot be described. Whence, where? Vaguely not clear, descends, come down, lave, was. At me, small particles, latent, hidden. Here in these lines, poet asks the soft falling soul, who are you? And to which the rain replied in a strange manner. He said that it was the poem of the earth and it rose continuously from the land and the bottomless sea in the form of vapors. Again he says it rises upward toward the sky in the form of vapor where it changes its form. It also says that although its form gets changed, it still remains the same. Here rain comes down to wash the dots and provide water. It also washes away the dust and small particles and it gives life to many seeds and animals. Again he says that by day and night it provides life, care, enrichments and water to the place where it originated, and it keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. Here we have some literary figures. First one is personification. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of rain. Here poet used personifications. Then metaphor. I am the poem of earth, rain is being compared to a poem. Here he used metaphor. Then imagery. Soft falling shower is an example of imagery.